Hello everyone, welcome back. I wanted to revisit the world's smallest folding stove. I made an improvement since the last one. These cross pieces, when they were on there, they were pretty flush to the top here, and no air was really getting in underneath there. So I created bigger ones that leave me about an extra quarter of an inch underneath the pot so air can get in there. And I wanted to try an alternate fuel method instead of the twigs and sticks, because that was a pain in the neck. So I have here, I did a video on this and another fire starter I'll have coming out soon. But this is a piece of a Duraflame fire starter, and made in the USA, clean burning. You can use it indoors in your fireplace. So I said this is probably a good fuel to use in this test. And I didn't want to use those tabs. I mean, there's all kinds of warnings on the back of those things. Formaldehyde, it produces formaldehyde with perspiration and this, that, and the other thing. I'm actually going to bring them back. I don't even want to use them. So we're going to try this little Duraflame. It was 88 cents, I think I said, for one piece, about this big, and I broke it up into these little pieces. I think I got nine or so of them out of it, and it's very mushy, and it's got like some wax or something in it. So let me get this set up on the stump top, and we'll test out this Duraflame fire starter in the world's smallest folding stove. All right, so I have a couple of them crunched up in here. I got another little piece here. And here's the same cup of water that I used on the last test. And I'm going to get this lit up, and we'll see how this goes. Takes a little bit to get these going, but once they get going, I think this is going to work out great. I'm hoping I don't have to keep stuffing stuff in there to get, a cup of water boiling. Gets very mushy after it starts to get hot, which is pretty good because then it spreads it out. It's taking off. So far it's about 3 minutes, 15 seconds. And the great thing about this is I haven't had to add anything to it. It's just those original pieces that were in there. So far, so good. We're at 6.5 minutes here. It's steaming. Oh yeah. Probably be boiling if I would stop playing with it. Oh yeah, we got a boil. So it's showing 8 minutes, but it probably was around 7:40 something or whatever. It probably would have been around 7 minutes. All right, so I'm extremely pleased with that. That really worked out great. I didn't have to keep feeding it. I only used about 2 pieces of this. So if you figure if I can get 9-10 pieces out of there for 88 cents, I'm getting, 4 or 5 fires out of it, which I think is great. And it's pretty lightweight. You can keep a couple of these with you with this stove. If you're keeping it together, they'll fit in there, or if you're gonna, disassemble it, you could throw a couple of these pieces in an Altoid tin. Like I said, you could squish these down, and you'll definitely have some surefire. So extremely pleased, like I said, probably around 7 minutes, you know, which I think the average is around what, like 6 minutes. People are like, oh, I could boil a cup of water to 6 minutes. So I'm definitely pleased with it. It worked out great. These higher stands let air come in, and yeah, it worked out great. So I would definitely carry some of these around with me if I was carrying this little stove. And again, in a pinch, you can use twigs and stuff like that. You just gotta, you know, attend it to make sure that it doesn't go out. So there you go, everyone. I'll continue trying to figure out better ways to use it, and if I do, I'll share it with you. And again, everyone, I always appreciate your comments. I appreciate your views, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.